The intermittent fasting diet is increasingly being praised as a diet that promotes healthy weight management while being easy to follow. Interval fasting is fast becoming one of the most popular methods of weight loss and a host of other benefits. Unlike traditional diets, intermittent fasting does not dictate what you should eat or when you should not eat. It keeps you from getting hungry and from saddling yourself up for a few hours a day. Instead, you need to be hungry all day and eat as much or as little as you need to keep it down. Therefore, the only purpose of intermittent fasting is to put the body into a fasting state and remain there for a few hours. It allows you to decide how you want to eat, not when you want to eat, and not go overboard. You never have to go to bed hungry and not sit on what's in the fridge, freezer, pantry, or even the fridge for the rest of the day. Intermittent fasting works because you can choose to have a flexible day of fasting and choose when to start Lent. It is important to note that most research suggests that intermittent fasting is no better than traditional dietary methods. This can help you control your calorie intake and at the same time make the overall experience of your diet more pleasant. If these benefits sound good and you want to try intermittent fasting, you should be aware that there are several ways to do this. There are many types of intermittent fasting, and many people consider it a good alternative to traditional dietary methods such as fasting, but you may want to try this practice first. Although some studies suggest that it improves fasting, it may also have a psychological benefit in stopping intermittent fasting, although it is too early to consider it. The biggest and most popular is the idea of intermittent fasting, which basically means intermittent fasting. This type of intermittent fasting is called 16-8 fasting because you do not eat 16 hours a day, but only in a specific 8-hour window. If you fast for up to 16 hours, you will only eat for 8 hours, and if you end the 8-hour window of the day, you will fast for the whole day according to the 16-8 fasting method. This usually means giving up breakfast and eating only from 12 o'clock to 2000, but 16-8 is a popular time window for intermittent fasting for beginners. Most of us do not know the structured schedule in which the time window for fasting between meals is constant. Instead of fasting irregularly, we fast without any plan, and that is why. Skipping breakfast or starting lunch means the benefits are there for us, so 16-8 is popular. If you are not eating all day, it is better to focus your diet on intermittent fasting, limiting your daily calorie intake because you are eating less and probably eating less, as this is a natural consequence of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting not only means cutting calories for one day only if you want other benefits, but it is also a great way to eat less and burn fewer calories. If you are trying to stick to a new intermittent fasting plan, you may want to consider some of the oldest fasting remedies available, such as tea. How to start intermittent fasting, how to work it, how to achieve good results with diet, and how to learn more about the benefits of intermittent fasting and the best ways to get the best results on the dietary list. This evidence-based program not only includes everything you need to know about intermittent fasting, but also more than 60 recipes to help you master it. We explore how Fit Formula wellness products can help to make fasting a little easier for beginners. Read about how to follow different fasting times, what foods and drinks you can eat during fasting, and how to maximize the effects of intermittent fasting. I encourage you to also add a printed copy of this book to be your spiral-bound intermittent fasting planner. Fasting is fasting, so let's explore how our Fit Formula wellness product can help make fasting a little easier for beginners. The Intermittent Fasting Formula is for those who want to be ripped quickly, burn stubborn belly fat, and reap the amazing health benefits. We show you how to quickly tear and burn the stubborn belly fat, while enjoying all the amazing health benefits. This is the first menu specifically designed for intermittent fasting and the only one of its kind in the world. The Intermittent Fasting Formula is a fully fledged, professionally written and real-life nutritional plan that contains all the essential ingredients for a healthy, healthy diet and lifestyle. An alternative, the daily fast is similar to the interval fast in that instead of fasting daily, only fasting 3 to 4 days a week. This is actually a hybrid plan, where you can choose between a daily fasting plan and an alternative fasting schedule, alternative day. Get your ebook on Intermittent Fasting Formula. Use this coupon 99 ebook to get 50% off.